Here we have our laundry basket we use. This has been handed down and it's been in the family for years and it's still working very well. So it's definitely recommended here. It's made of solid plastic, can hold 1.5 loads, which is a good amount of clothes. I'll go through and show you here. I got 2 t-shirts and shorts. Tall guy, 6'2", so gives you an idea of how much room is left in the basket. Another good thing about it is they have these nice handles. Go through and easily pick it up. They're nice and curved, which is nice, fits to the form of your hand. Can hold a lot of laundry. The design is very good. It's also cut out with oval holes, and this just makes less plastic on the basket to make it lighter. That way it's not so heavy when it's empty. Of course, once you fill it up, it will start getting heavier. The dimensions are 19 by 19 by a little over 13, so you have plenty of room to put all of your clothes. If you get more than one, they are also stackable. After using for multiple years, definitely recommend, and I hope this was helpful.
Hey everyone, before we wrap up, I just want to let you know, if you're interested in purchasing the product I reviewed today, there's a link in the description box below. Just to be completely transparent with you all, I do earn a small commission from any purchases made through the link, but it doesn't cost you any extra. But using my link will go through and support my work, and I generally appreciate that. Your support helps me continue to create more content and provide honest reviews for you. If you'd like to see more product reviews, feel free to visit my Amazon storefront below. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope my tutorials continue to be helpful to you.